we wanted to make it very niche specific because we realized that जो एक क्रिएटिव फ्रेटर्निटी के लोग हैं वो लोग निकलते हैं ना जब कॉलेज से और एस्टैब्लिश करते हैं खुद को मार्केट में, वो वाला फेज बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट होता है उनके लिए. यू कैन एंगेज विद अदर पीपल इन द डिफरेंट इवेंट्स दैट हैपन हियर एंड काइंड ऑफ गेट टू नो मोर पीपल. सो दैट इज काइंड ऑफ व्हाट वी हैड इन माइंड फॉर कोवर्किंग. नॉट जस्ट सभी प्रोफेशनल्स आए, स्टार्टअप्स आए काम किया जो अलग है दूसरे कोवर्किंग्स दैट आर ऑलरेडी ऑपरेटिंग उससे.
Like since we have talked about co-working space a lot, and then your thing, which is open workspace, I also want to hear the story कि ये चीज बड़ौदा में like मुझे नहीं मालूम, तो बड़ौदा में आर यू द फर्स्ट वन जिन्होंने ये चीज इंट्रोड्यूस किया या फिर और भी कहीं?
We are not the first ones because when we looked up co-working spaces in Baroda, there were already I think 5 such spaces जो थी, मतलब Google पे आपको उसका नाम और वो मिल सकता है ऐसा. And I think we were in one of the first 10 but not the first ones. But the only thing again being कि वो लोगों का हम लोगों ने जब सब पढ़ा ना, तो it was like all these spaces. So उसमें सब में भी ऐसा जरूरी नहीं था कि हम ये जो सेपरेटली एक कम्युनिटी फॉर्मिंग और जो इवेंट्स करने का जो पूरा है वो लोग करते. They were giving out renting out spaces on an hourly to monthly basis and आओ काम करो जाओ kind of a thing. It seemed more like that when we looked up at the websites. And about the same time that we started this, उसके ही एक वीक के बाद हमको पता चला कि हमारे ही एक क्लासमेट ने उनके ऐसे ही ग्रुप को मिलके they were also going to launch and we were like what. For a very long time we did not know that the name that that we had started seeing like when we were putting up our post from open workspace, about the same time unka bhi posting चालू हुआ था and we had no idea who was operating it and we were like यार पता नहीं यार ये एकदम से कैसे आ गया. और थोड़े टाइम के बाद ही हमको पता चला that it was like one of our friends only who was kind of doing it. We were like क्या बात कर रहे थे. So then those two started around the same time and then like I think अब एक दो और introduce हुई है ऐसा है. But अभी कैसा है यार honestly speaking बड़ौदा में जब so I am from Ahmedabad and I came to Baroda for college like in 2013. तब cafes इतने थे ही नहीं. It was as good as not there. Okay. And I found it so weird that there were no cafes here that I was like यार ऐसे तो कैसे कोई रह सकता है, मतलब करे क्या बाहर जाने के लिए. So after these 7-8 years अभी जाके वो चीज बहुत बूम हो रहा है. It's like wherever you see there's just cafes all over. Which happened in Ahmedabad 5-7 years ago, which has happened in Bombay God knows years ago. So अभी वो मार्केट अभी उसका जब सैचुरेशन पे आएगा ना, आई थिंक तब जाके इसका चालू होगा कि लोगों को पता चलेगा ओके सिर्फ कैफे जाके कॉफी पी के फ्रेंड्स के साथ निकलो वो करने के अलावा भी इफ यू वांट टू स्पेंड अ वीकेंड समवेयर एंड डू समथिंग दैट यू माइट लाइक, then there are spaces like that as well where you can come. So to make people understand that, I think it's a very eventual and a very patient process, but होगा. मतलब इतने टाइम के बाद लोगों को कैफेज का वो थोड़ा अभी आ रहा है तो co-working अभी थोड़े टाइम के बाद आ जाएगा. Yeah, because we have heard so many people like after we explained to them this entire concept, they're like ये है बहुत अच्छा यार पर थोड़ा नया है ना बड़ौदा के लिए. I'm like yeah, I've heard that so many times. I'm like क्या और तो क्या बोलूं. It is me, but yeah, please accept it.
So since ये जो पेंडेमिक की आपने बात छेड़ी ही है, तो मेरे मन में एक क्वेश्चन आ रहा है कि how do you look your own thing that is open workspace and also this co-working space in this time and post pandemic time as well. आपका उस पे क्या पर्सपेक्टिव है?
Okay. I don't know, tough है यार. So Jared, of course, when the pandemic hit, before that time period, from January to March, it had boomed like crazy. Okay, like we had launched in Jan, and we did like a first workshop in January end. By March mid, we almost were booked for every weekend till mid May.
Wow.
એટલું બધું એટલું બધું boom થઈ ગયું હતું, okay, because there was just continuously people coming in and artists coming in and just like asking when we can do this and that and everything. And then માર્ચમાં જે છેલ્લી વર્કશોપ હતી બહુ જ જોરદાર કરી. um, ઓલમોસ્ટ 21 લોકો આવ્યા હતા અને એ જેની હતી એ હોસ્ટની એ overall 25th workshop હતી એવું હતું. તો it was like a blast, you know. We got like a small cake for the host and he had become a really good friend of ours also. તો અમે લોકો બહુ જ આમ પ્રોપર સેલિબ્રેટરી એ આમ આખો માહોલ કરી દીધો હતો અને બહુ જ મસ્ત હતું. અને જ્યારે આ થયું તો we were like કે
Hindi.
ચલ कि how many time, okay, कितना कितने टाइम तक ये हो सकता है, you know, मतलब how long can this last? We did not, no one knew that it's going to last so long. तो हम लोगों को लगा कि देखते हैं थोड़े टाइम के बाद we'll understand what to do, what not to do, this that. Then after it started getting extended, we had gone into a complete um down low. Okay, like all of us mentally were like, we don't think कि इसका अभी कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. So we did not even consider कि online what क्या हो सकता है. Okay, for a very long time into the you know, like into these I think 2-3 months we were like कि complete gone, you know, ऐसा कि tried engaging people a little bit through stories and activities, uh, like on Instagram, but nothing much. Then we started realizing कि नहीं, but this is like our dream project. We don't want to just let it go because of something like
Hmm.
this, obviously. फिर वो reality check मिला, बहुत जोर से ऐसा hit किया. तो we were like, no, 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 ऐसे कुछ बंद तो नहीं कर देना है, ऐसा पागलपन लगेगा कि अभी 3 महीने में we just kind of give up on our baby like that. So then we started getting in touch because there were so many people जिनका हम लोगों ने काफी अच्छा मतलब we had kind of generated a good contact also with them. So we were like कि then we started opening up for just online collaborations कि if you want we can, you know, make the promotions and get a post ready and, you know, we can do an online workshop or an online event and things like that. It was a little different definitely, but as long as it was operational we didn't mind it. तो हम लोगों ने वो किया चालू. उसके बाद I kind of came up with this idea of what else can be done to engage audience more. So that is when I realized that if we possibly, because people really like to listen to stories as long as they are 30 minutes or 40 minutes long, not more than that. वो लोग नहीं करते हैं. I
No,
was like,
people
what
do
is
like to listen to podcasts which are longer.
they do? But यार
I,
पता है,
I would like to convince myself.
वो अभी जाके ठीक है. वो पहले जब इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था पॉडकास्ट तब ऐसा मुझे I don't know, or probably it's just me, or probably people I am with, that I think that more than 30-40 minutes you can't listen straight यार. मतलब थोड़ा तो डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो ही जाओगे. मतलब मेरा ऐसा हो जाता है. तो I was like कि ऐसा कौन सा shorter
Yes, exactly.
thing है, you know, what is this
Uh,
shorter thing that we can possibly do कि लोग थोड़ा connected भी रहे, open workspace भी engagement की audience की तरह से थोड़ा uh, you know, active rahe. So that's when I came up with the Insta live sessions with artists wala thing, where we would do a live with some of the other artists that we know and share their stories virtually. So then what we did is like we sat down and we kind of put up everything that we wanted to do physically, and then we kind of tried understanding how we translate it virtually. इसमें से कौन सी इतनी इवेंट्स एक्टिविटीज है जो पॉसिबली हम लोग वर्चुअल मीडियम पे भी करा सकते हैं. So there were some workshops that could be done, some workshops that definitely couldn't be done because उसका मटेरियल acquire करके पहुंचाने में ही इतना कॉस्ट हो जाता है कि लोग नहीं करते यार. And even the hosts who were doing workshops were not kind of, they were not having a lot of fun as they would have at a space, you know, while you are in proper human kind of connect. उतना वो नहीं होता था because वो प्रोडक्ट बनाया नहीं बनाया, वो एंड प्रोडक्ट मिला भी या नहीं, वो सब फिर पूरा क्वेश्चन मार्क रह जाता था. So we tried a lot कि हम लोग online workshops करें, 2-3 की भी सही. We did like a software workshop, then we did like a pitch by painting workshop, and all that we had done. And then we did the Insta live thing. उसकी वजह से we started getting, because उसमें कैसा था that whoever we speak to उनके भी लोग देखेंगे,
Mm.
obviously if it's a live, then that is what kind of helped us reach out more people and stay connected. And after that, around I think October or November is when we were like कि okay अभी थोड़ा open up करना चाहिए. We cannot just keep sitting like this and just do nothing. तो पूरा precautions के साथ how we will operate उसका पूरा kind of
Plan.
framework ready किया.
Mm.
And then we started kind of opening up little towards I think yeah October November, and we did like a couple of seminars, and we did one other workshop. और वो ऐसा करते करते धीरे धीरे करके भी kind of थोड़ा सा
Mm.
started getting in more inquiries and people, and started telling more people कि okay now हम लोगों ने शुरू किया है, तो आप लोगों को किसी को भी workshop कराना हो तो let us know. So then we would kind of approach people and start, because पहले तो हम लोग खुद ही down low में थे कि नहीं अभी देखते हैं पहले if we want to do this or not. And then we came up with a lot of ideas of what we want to do, what else we want to do from our page. But उसका भी थोड़ा है कि it's still in process, because it's like a very long list of things of
Yes.
how to engage the rest of the, because creative fraternity मतलब बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं यार. It's like
Yes.
writers को भी हम लोग इतना ही include करना है जितना हमको artists और painters या जो भी मतलब वो mediums से काम करते हैं उनको करना है, उतना ही हमको product designers, architects, graphics, illustrators. So it's like a very big community that we want to target. So to make sure that all these kind of people engage with the content that we put up, you know, it will take a
Hmm.
while, but I think when it happens it will be like okay, if you're, so like we are going to be introducing like open mics or storytelling kind of a thing, wherein people can come together, and wo jo hota hai, that kind of event we want to do कि लिखा है बोलना है करो. If you've written a song or something and if you want to kind of sing it out to the public, then you can do something like that. So that kind of things also we are kind of planning to introduce in the near future. But that is something which will take a while. मतलब एकदम से लोग इतना ज्यादा नहीं आएंगे अभी वापस से. अभी मतलब everything has started, felt like it was starting to become normal, but
Yes.
वापस
Again. Yeah.
the cases are increasing like crazy. So like
हाँ
it's like
अभी आई
whenever we would introduce
यस
something वापस ऐसा आ रहा है तो why अभी कर ही नहीं रहे हैं कि नहीं थोड़ा
Mm.
और ज्यादा पेशेंट रहने में कोई कुछ नहीं जाता. डू द बैकग्राउंड वर्क टिल देन,
यस
उसके
एग्जैक्ट
बाद एक साथ kind of introduce all of that.
But it's a
So yeah.
good thing. It's a good thing that you started from October, because it is pretty evident that people were craving for the space, because I saw that when we met last month, just after meeting you, when I came back home, I saw your post that the whole week or the whole month was booked, right? With a
Yeah,
lot of
yeah, yeah,
workshops. Yes.
yeah,
So it is pretty evident that people are missing coming out to such spaces and
yeah.
showcase their artwork or to learn something. And even I came there to learn that, which was the yeah, yeah,
Tote
painting
bag
on tote
painting.
canvas tote bag. Yeah. So yeah, it is quite good that you started again. And we hope that things get normal so that you can invite more and more people, and we can learn more such things.
I know. Yeah.
I want to come there and enjoy these things as well because I I miss being there. And the worst part about me being here is uh, Australian government has uh, closed its border since like
Uh,
17th of March 2020 or abhi tak it is not opened yet, and there are
1 year.
news. हाँ
They
and
speak.
October
Oh my God.
2021 तक तो 110% नहीं खुलने वाला है. And October 2021 के बाद तभी खुलेगा when each and every person staying in Australia, including international students, gets vaccinated.
I
तो
Oh
मतलब मेरे
my
लिए it is
God.
very tough. Like these things. I mean, I
Like,
obviously hope कि ये pandemic से लोग जल्द से जल्द बाहर आए. Like everyone comes out of this thing because it has hit the world, the people really hard. But good on you guys that you are being responsible and maintaining the thing as well,
So
right?
Harshvardhan,
Yeah.
when you come back to India, we'll purchase some mics with filters, and we can do this with open workspace physically instead of doing it on a Zoom call.
Yes, we
Yeah.
yes, we will. I mean, वो जैसे जो रोगन का होता है ना, वैसा हम लोग करेंगे.
True. I was actually telling Janish the other day that we had like another kind of a team called the Spotlight. वो लोग इसी तरह का मतलब kind of content creation and उस वाला मतलब काम में है. So what they had also done was this कि they wanted to shoot a few episodes of storytelling or poetries, and they wanted like a space with a backdrop where they could do it. तो वो लोगों ने भी ऐसा किया था. मतलब नीचे हमारा एक स्पेस है which is like a library and a breakout zone and games वाला and all that. तो उसमें what they would do is they would set up their like speakers with the mic and everything, and they kind of shot it and put up the videos and everything.
Yeah,
So I
but
was telling him कि
yeah.
ऐसा भी करना हो हमारे आप लोगों के कोई भी other podcast के लिए, then yeah, we
यस,
can
आई मीन
definitely
फ्यूचर
do
में
that.
जब दूसरा पॉडकास्ट हो आपके साथ या फिर आपके पार्टनर्स या फिर ओपन वर्क स्पेस के साथ, तो आई विश लाइक आई वांट कि जैनिश उधर जाके पॉडकास्ट शूट करे, एंड नॉट नेसेसरी मैं वहां पे प्रेजेंट हो. यू कैन आल्सो
अभी
यू
अभी
कैन आल्सो
नेक्स्ट
टेक
नेक्स्ट
कृणाल
टाइम
विथ
वैसे
यू
ही
एंड
होने
देन यू
वाला है.
गाइस कैन कोलैब.
यस, एच के नेक्स्ट टाइम ऐसे ही होने वाला है कि हम लोग वहां पर जाके शूट करने वाले हैं, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम ये है कि तू नहीं होगा वहां पर.
हाँ,
तू नहीं होगा
एग्जैक्टली.
वहां
मतलब आई एम फाइन विथ इट, बट get at least you guys will get to experience the environment.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, so while we were talking, I had this interesting question that do you ever fear that people would consider open workspace as just a place where people can go for a workshop, and they would not. Do you fear that they would not consider you, as a co-working or a shared space which can provide a lot of benefits to startups and a lot of benefits to creators? Do you ever fear that?
Okay. ના ડર તો નથી. Not really, because it's like જે બી માણસ આવ્યું હોય અહીંયા, like who કોઈ પણ, it could be like a mid-30s person or just like a person who has probably just gone out of school, not even college. So whoever comes here, we make it a point to explain to them the overall thing. Like, because again, whoever comes to the workshop, am I would say that they come and they think that they are supposed to learn this and they are supposed to go because it's a workshop. And then that's when I ask them, I'm like, you've come for a workshop, but do you know what open workspace is about? And then they might say yes, they might say no. But then I make sure that, you like they are given a full tour, like a full proper understanding of the variety of things that the space offers. We take them to the individual, like, remember in that movie Drishyam, એક ऐसे કે તમે જે જોવો એ વધારે યાદ રહે rather than just listening to it. So that, that is a like a kind of a tactic or a trick probably that we use to make sure that they actually see the workstations, they actually see the niche ka space, they see the pantry and the meeting cubicles and everything, and they go, so that it's somewhere in their subconscious memory ki okay, if I want to rent out a space even for an hour, or if I want my own customized package wherein I tell them when I will come to work, वो पूरा एक जगह can cater to my needs. So I don't think कि ऐसा डर है, like there is nothing like people will just not understand this, because it's like, yeah, it's up to you how you want people to believe what this is about. Abhi, we are just portraying it as it's a space that does these events. But once we actually open up more, we will portray that entire, make the face of it on Instagram in such a way, or in on social media, or in general while talking about it in a manner where ये सब और भी चीजें हो रही है वो उनके दिमाग में आ ही जाएगा. And at that point, I think कि काफी लोग वो हो गए होंगे, like with the whole work from home thing. Like, I know it's very comfortable and it's very convenient and flexible, but at the end of the day, we are humans, yeah. We need to connect with other humans. We cannot sit and do this, video calling and chatting for a long time. You need to meet them. You actually need to like converse in a human to human connection. So वो जैसे उनको फील होगा, लोग निकलेंगे और बाहर आएंगे, और
Sir.
तब तक शायद कैफे का नशा और थिएटर्स का मजा थोड़ा, शायद उनको पता चलेगा कि ओके ये सब के अलावा भी कुछ और स्पेस है, तो वो लोग आएंगे। ऐसा थोड़ा फेथ रख के, बिलीफ रख के करने का।
And yes, this perspective of yours, I like that. And yes, thank you very much, Shy Me. Right? I hope I am right. Right? I did when Shy
Yeah.
Me. Thank you very much, Shy Me, for being here and for taking some time out of your busy schedule and इतने short notice पे podcast पे आने के लिए very 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 बहुत सारा मतलब बहुत सारा थैंक यू आपको एंड थैंक्स टू जैनिश जिसने this thing he discovered and he made sure that okay we reach out to Shaimi and then discuss about this thing because people should know about this thing, the open workspace, the co-working space that is there, right? And क्योंकि it is obvious, मतलब जैनिश से ज्यादा इस चीज की जरूरत किसको होगी, right? Because he being himself as a a startup founder, so he also needs such spaces as well. So thank you very much for sharing all the information and the knowledge that you have, and I thank Janish as well for his time and his efforts, and for our audience, for our lovely audience, for those who are new here, सब्सक्राइब,
Yeah.
लाइक, शेयर वो सब तो रेगुलर है, बट डू चेक आउट ओपन वर्कस्पेस। उनका इंस्टाग्राम पेज है जिसकी लिंक बायो में है और इधर आपके स्क्रीन पे उसका यूजर नेम डिस्प्ले हो रहा है, तो डू चेक आउट देयर पेज। अगर आपको कुछ क्रिएटिव करना है, सीखना है या फिर सिखाना है, इट इज देयर, इट इज फॉर यू। मतलब आपको यू डोंट हैव टू नाउ गो एंड लुक फॉर अ स्पेस के वो अरे પેલા હોલ વાળાને ફોન કરો પછી એનું ભાડું બુક કરો ને this that, no, ये सब sorted है, it is just one stop shop for you guys. So yes, check out their their page and reach out to them and use again use the code RIPScript to get some priority. No discount, get some priority, use the code RIPScript.
Thanks a lot,
and
guys. This was damn nice.
and
Seriously.
and guys, yes, now on a serious note, Jainish and not like मेरा तो ठीक है, I am here in Sydney and I don't put these much efforts of searching out for people and everything, but Jainish has been putting out a lot of efforts apart from his regular task. Remember, RIPScript एक startup है और उसके पास उसका एक main job, primary job है जो वो कर रहा है, बट उसके अलावा it is making sure that it is doing something good for the people and the society out there. तो please एक support चाहिए, that support is just subscribe, share, comment, anything you can do. And this is what we want. If you guys have taken out this much time to watch or listen this podcast, so please give it a thumbs up और आपके comments, feedback सब कुछ बताइए. Also our podcast is not only on YouTube, it is also on Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, and etc podcast audio, मतलब audio platforms जो है they are out there in market, तो उधर भी है available. So please do check out them as well. And Janish, if you want to add something to end this thing.
Actually, I am overwhelmed by the things that you said, but I would like to thank Shaimi and Harshvardhan both. So you have provided a lot of your time for this podcast, and do check out Harshvardhan's YouTube channel and his Instagram page. And also, if you are an artist or if you want to showcase your art, do consider going to Open Workspace. They have this brilliant team, and they are really dedicated to give a platform for a lot of artists. So do check out their Instagram and reach out to them. Thank you very much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Thank you,
thank you,
guys.
Shaimi. Bye.
Yeah.
Hope to see you soon in the next podcast.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye bye.